Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best blenders for smoothies available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have Ninja Professional Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 features a sleek design and outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power. This Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. The XL 72 ounces professional blender jar is great for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family. This total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. You can blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. On number 4 we have Ninja Nutri Blender. The Nutri Ninja with Auto IQ takes the guesswork out of drink making. This Auto IQ technology features intelligent programs that combine unique time-pulsing blending and pausing patterns that do the work for you. The digital countdown timer displays how much time is remaining on the selected Auto IQ program, or counts up to track blending time when using the 2 manual speeds. Each pre-programmed setting is designed to do the work for you and deliver consistent and delicious drinks with powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction at the touch of a button. On number 3 we have SUPPKIN Blender. The juicer extractor is designed with 6 pieces, 304 stainless steel blades and strong power system, pure copper motor, quick speed and long life. The blender can be used 15 to 20 times after being charged 3 to 5 hours. You can make delicious juice for you and your family. The portable blender has 6 stainless steel blades and high rotation speed. The taste of the juice, smoothies or shakes will be much better. On number 2 we have Ninja Foodie Blender. The 1200 peak watt smoothie bowl maker that blends and powers through 4-spoon-thick smoothie bowls. This smart dork is designed to power through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. This Ninja Foodie smoothie bowl maker and nutrient extractor comes with smart torque, blends and powers through the thickest ingredients. On number 1 we have Hamilton Beach Blender. It comes with 12 different functions. You can create classic smoothies, icy drinks and shakes with the touch of a button. It comes with only 5 simple buttons. The control panel is clear and easy to use. This patented wave action system continuously pulls mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.